Alright everyone, today we're going to do a room tour of cabin number 8417. It's an interior cabin. It's down the left hallway on the Norwegian Breakaway. That's coming up right after this. Alright, so when you turn the corner and come down the hallway, 8417 is the second room on the left, right next to 8421. And there's a pole right in the middle in between the two rooms. So it's kind of awkward to get into the room. So when you first come into the room, you have two regular hanging hooks on the left. On the right is your do not disturb sign and your make up the room sign. You have to have your key card or a card in the thing to control the lights. So you have one in here for you. It says when leaving stateroom, pull this card up. And then we have extra magnets. The walls are magnetic. Then to the left is the restroom. The light for the restroom is right here. There's two shelves. There is a plug in the bathroom, but it's only for shavers. Have liquid hand soap, sink, two shelves down low, cabinets underneath the sink. The toilet paper roll is right there, and the extra toilet paper is under there. It is a glass shower door. They have the clothesline. Comes pretty much standard in all cabins. When you come out of the bathroom, you have the main cabinetry area, which has a mirror, the mini fridge is down below. There's a stool with extra storage, two European sockets, two American sockets. Then you have a nightstand to either side of the bed. The bed can be made up as two twins or one king. The TV is right here on this wall. And the closet is here next to the TV. You have a shelf up top, hanging storage space, a couple of short shelves. And there's some storage space under the bed, as well as under the bed is where your life jackets are held. And there is also a little side storage area on the main vanity, as well as corner cubby over here to the left of the TV and the closet. There's light switches here that controls the main lights. As well as the accent lighting. And then there's 2 reading lights to either side of the bed. And that concludes our room tour of cabin number 8417 on the Norwegian Breakaway interior cabin. Don't forget to please subscribe, it's free. Hit the notification bell to be notified of all of our future content. Have a great day.